Yeah, so hi, this is my fourth lecture, how to install SBT. So installing SBT, you need to go this link, which I will provide you, and so this is the link SBT, where you can see for the MacBook, do install SBT and hard than the one version, and this is the all the platform you can also download, and this would be correct version your operating system. After you installing, you can see in using command line SBT version. You can first time when I downloaded, you can see the lot of message came. This is expected, so in the next time when you run, it will give the correct version. It may take the few seconds to execute this command, but it will be correct, and it should be higher than 1.0 version.